Hi, seventh grade. Good to see you. Okay, let's learn what favorable outcomes to an event means. So look at these examples. An event is a collection of outcomes from an activity. So remember, in yesterday's lesson, we're talking about activities. Um, can be like rolling a die, or it can be like picking a card, or things like that. Okay, so in this case here, we're rolling a die, and let's say you roll a six-sided die, then the sample space, which means the total possible outcomes, are listed here in these brackets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Now, the event of rolling an even number consists of the outcomes of only 2, 4, and 6 on a six-sided die. Um, and so, as you can see, the event is kind of like a specified outcome within the sample space. Now, events are usually named with a capital letter. You can appoint a capital letter to label the event. So, for example, if capital E stands for the event of getting an even number, then you can write E is equal to the outcomes, the set of outcomes 2, 4, and 6, to show the outcomes favorable to event E. And favorable outcomes just means outcomes that make an event happen, just like on the specified outcomes. All right, here's another activity, picking a letter. Now, let's say that there's 26 tiles placed face down on the table, each printed with a letter from the alphabet, and you pick one letter. And I'm just going to make my screen a tad bit bigger, my video screen. Okay. And so I just wrote, the alphabet right here. And then it says you pick one letter. Let D be the event that you pick a letter that's a vowel. So what are the vowels in the alphabet? It's A, E, I, O, U, right? Okay. I don't have a yellow one, so I'll just circle it. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in the alphabet. Okay. And then it says let E be the event that the letter you pick comes after the letter V in the alphabet. Okay, so what letters comes after the letter V? Oh, it's just here. Okay, and I'll just underline it here. Okay, so these are the letters that come after V. Okay, so this is another outcome. Okay, the outcome E. Let F be the event that the letter you pick is a consonant and comes before the letter P. Okay, so consonant is a letter that's not a vowel. So I'm just gonna circle it in green. Okay, and so, or I'll put a triangle in green. Okay, so consonant that comes before P. Okay, so it's all the letters that I didn't circle that come before P. Okay, so it would be this one, 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 this one. Oh, and that's it, because it has to come before P. Okay, so all of my green triangles represent the event F. And you can see that it's listed right here. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, and we're going to always use brackets to show the set of outcomes in a sample space. All right, and here are the brackets. Okay. All right, here are some more examples. Now we're going to list the outcomes that are favorable to each event, so the specified outcomes, and then we're going to state the number of outcomes in the sample space, which is different. Okay, so let's look at A. For breakfast, you can choose one item from the following list: toast, hash browns, bagels, oatmeal, cornflakes, or scrambled eggs. B is the event of choosing oatmeal, cornflakes, or scrambled eggs for breakfast. So here is the event B, which is just oatmeal, cornflakes, and scrambled eggs, just like it said here. in this last sentence, but what is a sample space? It's the total possible outcomes, which is you can get toast, or hash browns, or bagels, or oatmeal, or cornflakes, or scrambled eggs. So there's 6 total outcomes in the sample space. The event B is just these 1, 2, 3 outcomes. All right, let's look at part B. X is the event of choosing a word with exactly 2 E's in it from the following word list. So we have the word mathematics, theme, eerie, share, employer, these, employee, here, there, maritime, and those. But we want to find event X where there's exactly 2 E's, not more than 2 E's. It's exactly 2 E's. So I see that these words here have exactly 2 E's in them. And so this event X is equal to the set theme, employer, here, there, these. And then what's the sample space? Well, the sample space is we choose from a total of possible how many words? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So there are 11 outcomes in the sample space. Okay. All right. Pause the video and please do guided practice number 3 on your own. All right. So number 3 says, y is the event of choosing a prime number from a list of whole numbers from 1 to 20. Okay. Now, do you remember the definition of a prime number? It is that a prime number is a number that can be divided by itself and 1. There are 2 conditions to meet to be a prime number. Okay, and so when I look here, okay, at my numbers 1 through 20, okay, and I'm going to use my red. Is 1 a prime number? Well, 1 can be divided by 1, but it doesn't fit those 2 conditions where it says it is a number that can be divided by itself and 1, right? You need those 2 conditions, all right? So 1 is not a prime number, but is 2 a prime number? Yeah, okay, because the factors of 2 is just 1 and 2, okay? So 2 is a prime number, 3, yes, because the factors of 3 is just 1 and 3, okay? How about 4? No, because the factors of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. Okay? Factors of 5 is 1 and 5, yep. Factors of 6, nope, is 1, 2, 3, and 6. Factors of 7 is just 1 and 7. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, and 8, nope. Factors of 9, 1, 3, 9, no. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10, nope. Factors of 11, 1 and 11, so yeah, that meets the conditions of the prime number. Factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, so that doesn't work. Factors of 13, 1 and 13, that works. Factors of 14, 1, 2, 7, 14, so that doesn't work. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15, that doesn't work. Factors of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, that doesn't work. Factors of 17, 1, 17, that is a prime number. Factors of 18, 1, 2, let's see, is 3 1? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, so that doesn't work. Factors of 19, 1 and 19, that works. Factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20, so that doesn't work. So here are my list of prime numbers here. Okay, and so the event y, we're just going to put it inside the brackets like that on the screen. And then it says, state the number of outcomes in the sample space. So we choose from a total of how many numbers? We choose from 20 numbers, right? So there are 20 outcomes in the sample space. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's do guided practice number 4. This is your last problem for the day. Okay, see you soon. Hi again. All right, let's see what you did. So it says choose from a shape from the bag containing these cardboard geometric shapes. So A, list all the favorable outcomes for the event of choosing a shape with at most 6 sides. So it can have 6 sides or less. So let's see, this has 4 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides, 4 sides, 0 sides. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 6 sides here. Okay? So it's like all of these shapes except for the circle, right? And also the octagon, right? Because it has to have more than at most 6 sides. And actually, it doesn't include the 7-side one either, which I didn't include. So it doesn't include the heptagon. Heptagon is a 7-sided one, so we're going to cross that out. So it's only parallelogram, triangle, rhombus, square, pentagon, and hexagon right here. Parallelogram, triangle, rhombus, not the heptagon, even though I wrote it there, so pretend it's not there, okay? The square, the pentagon, and the hexagon, okay? All right, part B, list all the favorable outcomes for the event of choosing a shape with more than 4 angles. All right, so let's see. This only has 4 angles. This has less than 4. This has 4. This has more than 4. This has 4 angles. This has 0 angles. This has more than 4, more than 4, and more than 4. So we have a 7-sided shape, which is called a heptagon. I had to look that up. I didn't memorize that one. We have the 8-sided polygon, which is an octagon. We have a pentagon, and then we have a hexagon, which is a 6-sided shape. All right, that's it. Okay. Well, our lesson was short and sweet today, and keep practicing, and we'll meet on Thursday. Come with questions, okay? Bye.